Hi guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can add links to your Canva website. So first thing that you should do is you just have to open your, Canva application, or you can also use your laptop, and then you can open the Canva web browser. Okay, and then after that, you just have to select your website. Okay, so once you are on your website, as you can see, this is the website sample that I am going to use. So to add links here, so you just had to tap on the tags or the buttons that you want to add a link. So for example, this one right here, the shop now option. So when we highlight all of the text that we can see here, you have this four options at the top. So we have the magic right and then the linked option. So tap on the linked option. Okay, and then after that, you just have to enter the link that you want to add here, or you can also search for a link. So for example, I'm going to add this one. Okay, and then for display mode, you have this linked or embed. So I'm just going to select linked and then tap on the done option. Now, if you'd like to remove this line below the text, so just have to highlight it again and then tap on the underline at the top. Okay, then here, as you can see, when we previewed this section, let us try to see if we can find the link here. So as you can see, the mouse icon change. So it means that this link is clickable. So when you tap on it, then another tab will open for that specific link. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.